Let's count our numbers in the meadow. 1 pretty sun and 2 butterflies. 3 bright balloons float up to the sky.
One,
2,
3,
4,
5.
Are you ready to see something really cool? Ta-da! Look at the number 6. Today we are going to learn about a special number. Look, it is the number 7. Isn't it just beautiful?
8. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Today, I have something very special to show you. Ta-da! Look at the number 10. 11.
12.
13. 13.
14.
15.
16.
17.
18.
19. 19.
Look at this. It's the number 20. Wow!
21. 22.
23.
24. Let's learn a new number today. 25. That is great counting. 26. 27. 28. 29.
30.
31. 32.
33.
34.
Wow, look at this! It is the number 35. Let us explore 35 together.
36. 1, 2, 4. Wow!
37. 'Wow! Look at that giant number 38!
39. 40. 41. Hello, friends! Welcome back! Today, I want to show you this. It is the giant number 42.
Hello, friends! Welcome to my playroom. Today, I want to show you this. It is the number 43. See you next time. Hi, friends! Let's look at a special number. Ta-da! Ta-da! This is the number 44.
45. Hello, everybody! Welcome to my playroom. Today, I want to show you this. This is the number 46.
Wow, look! 47. Hi, friends! Look at what I have here. Wow, it's the number 48. Can you say 48? Hi!
49. 50.
'Welcome to my cheerful playroom. Today, let's look at the number 51. Wow, that is a really big number. Welcome to Number Town. 52. Let's see what is next.
53.
'Hi, friends! Look at this big number! It is 54.
55.
Great job!
56. 57. 58. 59. 5. This is the number 60. 60. 60. 61.
62. 62. 1, 2. 63. Whoo! 63.
64. 65. Hi, everyone! Look at this big number, 66. 67. 68. 1.
Welcome to my playroom. Look at this giant number 69. Isn't it just so cool? I love it. See you soon. Hi, everyone. Welcome to my playroom. Today is a very special day. Look at this amazing number. Wow, it is the number 70.
71. 72.
73.
74. 74. 75.
76.
Here is number 7, 77.
78. 7.
79. Wow, look at this! We have the number 80! This is so much fun! '81.
82. 82. 83.
1. 84. 85.
86. Hi, friends! Welcome back to my playroom. Today, I have something very special to show you. Ta-da! 87! 87 is a truly fantastic number. For more fun, hello, everybody! Today, we have a big surprise. Look at the number 88. Wow, that is a really big number.
'89.
Hi, friends! Today, let's look at the number 90. Hello, friends! Look at this big number. This is the number 91. See you next time.
Hello, everybody! Look at what I have today. It is the number 92. See you next time.
Hi, friends! Look at what I have today. Ta-da! It is the number 93. '94.
Hi, everyone! Welcome to my playroom. Wow! Look at this amazing number! Can you say 95? Hi, friends! Welcome to my playroom. Today, I want to show you something really cool. Look! It is the number 96.
Hi, friends! Welcome back to my playroom. Today, I have a super cool number to show you. Ta-da! Look at this! It's the number 97. Wow, that is a really big number. Hi, friends! Welcome to my playroom. Today, I have something very special to show you. Ta-da! Look at this giant number 98. Wow, that is a really big number. '99.
Hi, everyone! Look at this big number. We reached 100. Thank you so much. You are all amazing.
Wow, that was so much fun! See you again real soon!
Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell.